What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again at the pool, and I'm here with Ari, and I'm educating her on Bitcoin because she doesn't know anything about Bitcoin.
Except I saw it on a TV show one time, and that's it.
And what TV show was that?
The Big Bang Theory. It was an episode.
One episode.
And that's it. That's all I got for guys.
That's all. All right, so you don't know anything about Bitcoin. You only heard about it one time.
Yes.
Okay, so cool. I teach people about Bitcoin all the time. Again, my name is Bitcoin Chris, and I pretty much use it as a savings account, right? So when I first got into Bitcoin, it was $1,000. Do you know how much Bitcoin is now?
I don't.
All right, let's look at it.
Ooh, I'm nervous. This is good. Probably like double, right?
Double?
Maybe
Triple? Those are baby numbers.
Oh no! I'm excited.
All right, so Bitcoin is...
It's hot out here, guys. It's hot out here.
It's 30,000.
So that's how much it went up.
$30,594.
Okay, I was way off.
So if I bought it at $1,000 and it's now 30,000,
I can't do math right now, friend. You gotta tell me.
that's 30x.
Wow.
You said 2x, right?
Yes, I did.
So it's a $30,000 increase, or it went up $30,000.
Wow.
Yeah.
In how short of amount of time?
So when I first got into it, it was in 2016 to 2017.
Okay.
So just in a few
Wow.
years.
Years ago. Okay.
Yeah, years ago.
Wow.
But you know, it does go up and down. It does fluctuate. So you have to know about it and understand it, or else you'll sell it if it goes down, because it's gone up and down in that period of time.
So you can lose a lot, but you can also gain a lot.
And you only lose if you sell. So don't sell.
So don't sell.
All right. So I had a 401k. I'm sure you probably have one as well, right?
Yes, of course.
I sold all my 401k stocks and I bought Bitcoin as well.
Wow. That's investment.
That's investing.
That's a risky move.
Risky, no risk, no reward, right?
But how do you feel about it?
It paid off.
Yes, see, that's all that matters. Okay.
So I'm gonna send you $5 Bitcoin. I actually already sent you $5 Bitcoin because I want you to have some of your own and to learn about it. So let's see. You said you own stocks.
I don't. I can buy some through my job, but I haven't yet. I don't know much about it.
Okay. So you don't know anything about investing at all?
Maybe like a good 5%.
5%? Okay. So you said you did. I asked you earlier if you have a savings account. You said you have a savings account? Okay. And do you know what inflation is?
When inflation is?
What inflation is?
Yes, I do. Yes.
What's inflation?
When prices go up.
And why do the prices? You're absolutely right. You're right.
You know,
Why
I know
don't-
that there's a bigger story behind that, but I do know that the prices go up from inflation.
All right. So what's going up? The cost of what?
Everything, gas, groceries, eggs are really expensive nowadays.
Oh, you must have been listening to me over there. I was just talking about this. I was literally just talking about this. Yeah.
It was. Yeah.
So inflation is when they print money out of thin air, and it actually makes the value of the dollar go down.
Okay.
So that's why everything is more expensive. It's not that eggs cost more. It's our dollar going down in value. So that's inflation, and the reason why it goes down is because they print more of it. More like supply and demand.
Right.
So if you have, for an example, this Apple Watch, right?
Right.
If you're the only person with that Apple Watch, that's pretty valuable, right? But if everybody and their grandma has Apple Watch, it's not going to be as valuable, right? So it's the same thing with our dollars. So Bitcoin really is only ever going to be 21 million. And it can be divided into 8 decimal spaces to the right. So it's divisible. And the littlest, you know how US dollar has pennies?
Yes.
Satoshis is Bitcoin's unit of account.
Okay.
So it's kind of like the same thing, you know?
Yeah, it's definitely making more sense.
More sense.
For sure.
All right, there we go. And with that being said, since I sent you $5 Bitcoin, are you open to buying more in the future?
Of course.
All right.
I am, of course. It sounds like a solid deal, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it sounds like a good investment.
It is a good investment.
And I haven't invested in anything yet, so I have heard about it.
I'm glad you heard about it.
I heard about it,
Excellent,
yeah.
excellent. So, are you on social media at all?
I am, of course. I
Tell
have
them.
Instagram.
Tell them where they can follow you.
You can follow me at Ari Starry.
I'll put that in the description below as well.
I am private, so I'm gonna have to prove. I'm just kidding.
Okay, if she's private, I don't know if you're gonna be able to follow her. Never mind,
Oh,
never mind.
you will, for sure. But yeah, that's. And I do have like Snapchat. That's it.
Snapchat as
I don't
well.
know my Snapchat name though, so I'm so sorry.
No worries, no worries. Excellent. Do you have any questions about Bitcoin besides what I've told you so far?
I don't, but it's definitely something that I want to invest in the future for sure.
Okay. Have you thought about like real estate and stuff as well?
I have, yeah. I would love to flip houses.
Like what you would like?
Love to flip houses.
I teach financial literacy, so I help people get money to like do that type of stuff.
Okay.
So, how long do you think it will take you? Because you know you need like 20% down, right, for a house, and 20% of $100,000 is $20,000, right? So, on top of you shopping, doing what you love to do, paying your bills, how long would it take you to save an extra $20,000?
I'm scared to answer that question. I don't know.
This is a question that I ask a lot of my followers.
So intimidating, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but we have to think about it. Like, how long would it really realistically take you to do that? Because you want to do it, right?
I absolutely.
And you know you can make a lot of money doing it. So, do you know, estimate how long it'll take you?
I would say 2 years.
2 years? Oh, that's $20,000 2 years. I think that's pretty good.
I work a lot, folks. So I work a lot.
What do you do for a living if you don't mind me
I
asking?
am an AV technician.
AV, what's
Yeah,
that?
so it's like video, audio, and lighting. So like
Okay.
for shows and stuff, I work a lot of shows.
Oh, we have that kind of stuff here? Where at?
Okay.
I didn't even know that. I thought it was just for LA.
There you go.
Where at?
Huh?
Where at?
I work at the Hyatt.
Okay.
Recently on iDrive.
I used to work at Wyndham and Hilton.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
but I'm always working like over at Disney, like all these properties and everything. Yeah.
Awesome.
I
All right.
work like 20 hours a day for it, so.
Oh my God.
That's why I'm saying 2 years, and that's it.
Get that money, girl. Get that money.
That's it.
But if you're saving your money and it goes down in value, then
There you go.
you probably don't want to save in dollars, right?
Bitcoin.
Absolutely.
Ah,
You're catching on. All right, and so what I teach people how to do is, you know, you can fix your credit if your credit is not good. Bitcoin Chris, the video cut off because it was super hot, so the phone was actually overheating. So we didn't get to finish the end of the video, but she's cool. She got her Bitcoin. I sent her $5. I already sent her $5 Bitcoin. And what I'll do now is jump into the Bitcoin price. And again, happy 4th of July weekend. And let's jump and see what's going on with Bitcoin right now. All right, let me make this wide. Boom. As you can see here, we got green dot and we are on the 2 minutes. So let me zoom out. I don't know why I'm on the 2. Oh yeah, I do know why, because I'm scalping. Jump to the 1 hour chart. Zoom out. Zoom out. Oh yeah, we ready. We ready. We ready. All right, cool. So we got a green dot here at 4 o'clock this morning, 5 o'clock this morning. We did wick down. You know, they're shaking everybody out right now. So everybody got clapped up. See, everybody went along here. They wrecked everybody. Excuse me. They wrecked everybody. Everybody's going long again. Wrecked everybody with this wick here. And then everybody's going long here. Wrecked everybody. Wicked all the way back down. And now we're red again. So right now we're at 30,594. The low was 30,175. So it went about, what's that, almost $500, $400, give or take. You know, people are over leveraging and clapped up per usual. So because we are pretty much 70%, maybe, I don't know, between here and, I don't know, I think we're gonna pump by Monday. By Monday, I think we'll pump. I think we could pump tonight, actually, by midnight, because, you know, every time at midnight, you know, Bitcoin likes to pump. They like to pump the market when everybody's sleeping. So, you know, I've noticed that for the past few, you know, however long. I just realized that, you know, it likes to pump at night, especially at 12 o'clock at night, Eastern Standard Time, that is. So right now we're looking good. We are coming down a little bit, so, but we still got that green dot. VWAP looks like it's headed down. RSI, stochastic RSI, one's headed up, one's coming down. Let's jump to the 4 hour. 4 hour, we are looking to head up on the stochastic RSI and RSI. Let's see here. We had that bullish divergence that I called that night. We went up and then we came right back down. Whoop, everybody got clapped up. Coming up, we have money flow leaving the asset though, so that's not good. That's not good at all. However, we could still come back up with the money flow. We don't have too much of dips below the money flow momentum line of 0. We are oh, looks like we are headed up actually. Yep. Okay, cool. Zoom in here. Zoom in. We have momentum headed up. We have VWAP headed up, and then we have, you know, RSI, stochastic RSI on the 4 hour. At least looks good to me, in my opinion. Let's go back to the hourly real quick. VWAP headed down, momentum headed up, money flow green. So we're good on that part. Let's look at the 30-minute real quick. 30-minute, we do got that red dot, so that's why you could have easily. Okay, we got at 7. No, wait. 7 o'clock. What? It's 7 o'clock? Oh wow, it's 7:30. Oh wow, I didn't even notice that. Wow, that's crazy. Time is flying. Okay, so 7 o'clock, which I had no idea. Okay, so 7 o'clock, which is 30 minutes ago. It's actually 7:30. So now it's 7:30. Cool, boom. Red dot happened 30 minutes ago. You could get in a short if you're going to short, but I would be careful because, again, shorting Bitcoin is not smart, in my opinion. But we are headed down. VWAP headed down. We have that money flow still green, but looks like it's headed down, unfortunately. And then we have momentum headed down as well. So not looking good short term, but, you know, we could come down and retest this. This triangle here. So I'll put an alert right here where we are looking to bounce at 30. I think we bounce here. Boom. I put an alert there. I'll send out the alert, and I also have an alert here at the high in case we come higher. So those 2 alerts will go out once we get alerted, and then what I'll do is if we do dip below here, 30,439, I'll put an alert there just in case as well. So cool. So we have those 3 alerts set just in case anything happens. If you're going to short, be careful. But you see here we got this green block, which means order block, which is green. So that means we got a lot of buyers in this space, and we also have a lot of buyers in this area as well. So be careful. Let's jump to the daily, and that'll be it for the video. All right, cool. Zoom out. Daily looking good. Ready to pop out of this flag, and again, the target is 35,000. I've said this already in previous videos, but we do have a lot of sell orders here in these areas. So, but we do have a lot of buys in this area here. So order blocks help us determine what's going on, where these buys and sells are at, where a lot of money is at. So we do have this red dot here from Monday coming all the way down, but we still came up. So looking pretty good still. VWAP looks like it's starting to head up, possibly money flow heading up, so I'm not too bearish at all. I think this could come down and come up, which I've already talked about. So RSI, stochastic RSI looks like it's headed up, so I think we're still bullish. Did I say bearish? I meant bullish. So I'm still bullish on the overall market sentiment, of course, and weekly still looks good, super good per usual. Weekly doesn't change too much. Last week, like I said, we had that green dot, so, you know, green dots are good. RSI, stochastic RSI headed up, and then momentum headed up. So I think Bitcoin is good, and I think we're about to pop this flag. So we shall see, we shall see, we shall see. With that being said, that is the end of the video. This is Bitcoin Chris checking out once again. Hit that like, share, subscribe, orange pill who you can. Anybody that you come into contact with, try to, you know, orange pill them. Send them $5 Bitcoin. And with that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love. God loves you. I love you. Go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get your $10 free Bitcoin. And check out all the links below and support your boy. Take care, guys. Much love. Peace.